When it comes to countersink or pre-drill bit sets, the Kobalt drill and driver set has been my go-to for almost 15 years. So let's take a look at it and talk about some of its pros and cons. There are many different options for countersink sets out there, like the higher-end woodworking sets like Wood River or the lower-end sets like Irwin. When it comes to carpentry tasks, I've found that the Kobalt tool works extremely well, and here's why. With the Kobalt set and other sets like it, pre-drilling, countersinking, and screwing can be done in the same setup. What this does is limits the amount of time needing to change bits or the need for multiple drills. This set comes with 3 countersink or pre-drill bit sizes, a number 6, an 8, and a 10. It also comes with another bit setup that is designed just for pre-drilling with no countersink. The speed in which you can transition from countersinking to screwing is incredibly fast. That's why when you're faced with multiple carpentry or woodworking tasks, this bit is a time saver. There's one downside to this bit, and it may be with other bits as well, and that is its longevity. Over the past decade, I've probably replaced it 4 or 5 times. When this thing fails, it fails here in the locking mechanism. There's a little ball pin inside that holds the bit set in the holder. Once this breaks, the bit set will no longer stay locked in the holder. I'm not sure why this happens. Maybe it's just overuse because I use it a lot, or maybe I'm just asking too much out of a tool, but either way, I keep buying them because I really think they work well. Regardless if you buy this bit setup or another one, having the pre-drill and the bit in the same setup is extremely convenient and, like I said, very fast. So thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you all next Tuesday.